Hey folks, getting ready to take the dog, drop it off to get a haircut. Then I'm gonna come back home and we're gonna work on that beast. That's right. Gotta do some tweaking, some checking, working on the dash, try to get the temperature gauge to work and whatnot. I'll keep you posted. All right, so one of the things I'm working on is the reinstallation of this. I lost the stud for it, and I had a hell of a time trying to find a replacement. So what I did was I got some threaded rod, okay, and this is regular all thread, 1/4 inch by 20. Comes in a foot section. Get your local hardware store for almost nothing. And I went ahead and installed the rod, okay. You can see what I'm doing here. Worked it right in through the front, took it all the way down, and once I slid it into place, I just simply marked it with a marker. We're going to cut that off, put a nut on it, like 2 nuts. We're going to lock it into place this way. We're going to back the nuts out to clean the threads, and then I'll have my mounting stud in place. And then right down here, there's another mounting location for the hood ornament. So we'll have to fashion up some kind of a metal sleeve and a screw. All right, so today what we did was we got the tail lights wired up. I had that bottom one cut and got it spliced. Okay, we'll do a quick walk around. Cinched up the bottom of the fender down there. Of course, everything does not align. Check it out. I'm willing to bet 10 bucks is because there needs to be spacers on the body underneath to lift it up a little bit. So anyhow, I don't care. She's my truck and she runs great. We did get the crossbar in. Okay, no big deal. Look on the inside here. Yep, the original's still rusty. And I got to work on the rest of the trim. All right, military seats are in. They work great. Have just enough stomach room. Hood's been readjusted. Got the hood catches on so I don't have the same damn mistake I had the last time. If you remember, the hood flipped up on me while we were cruising and dented the center of the hood. Okay, got the front emblem on. Polished out some of the rust that I was complaining about before. The grill is bolted into place like it should be, and nothing special in here. Uh-oh, look at that, a little overheatage. That's okay, she did good. Watson's wagon. We're hauling the mail. Yeah. Middle America, munching on grindage. That's right, man. She went on her first parts run. Look at that. Got her some fresh oil. All right, some lubricant in there. Got some carriage bolts for the front bumper shield thing. Check out my glove box. Yeah, everybody's got to have a 50 cal glove box. You see all this rust? Isn't it a mother beautiful looking thing? Oh, yeah. All right, and I do have a replacement mount for the steering column. I need to get that in because this bad boy wants to dance. All right. Yeah, that's it, man. First real road trip since I've had her. Took her all the way down to the hardware store and the auto parts store. And I have to tell you, even though she's looking a little funky, she's durable. She's not leaking, not overheating, running pretty decent, and yeah, I'm real satisfied. So, that's what I did. What did you do? Get out there and work on those Jeeps. Yeah.